Dear student class 6, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Today I will discuss chapter 3 Bangladesh in the global geographical environment. A continent consists of some countries, any of the large ever unbroken territory in the world is called a continent, which is generally isolated from one another by mass of water. There are seven continents in the world. How many continents in the world? Seven continents. The name of the continent being in which our country is included is Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world. It is the largest continent not only in area but also in population. Bangladesh has a special position in this continent. Bangladesh is now the name of a proud country in the world as well. This country has occupied a place in the world map through a long political and cultural struggle and the Great Liberation War in 1971. Besides continent, there are oceans such as the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. The other two oceans are the South Ocean, North Ocean. This ocean play definite plays roles in physiographic, climate, economic, and various other fields of human life. In addition to ocean, there are some big seas like the Arab Sea, the Red Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, etc. The Bay of Bengal is to the south of the country. In fact, it is the Gulf which is included in the Indian Ocean. The geographical introduction to continents, we have come to know that there are seven continents in the world. There are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Only 29% of the world area is landmass. The rest is mass of water. Many islands and group of islands are also situated on this mass of water. Though they are separated from the main landmass of the continent, there are parts of any of the continents. The natural scenery of islands are and group of islands is very charming. Beautiful tourist centers have been developed in them. The whole of the continents is not plain land. In addition to the plain lands, there are many other natural variety, including hill, mountains, plateaus, forest, rivers in the world map. Bangladesh is located in the continent of Asia and Indian subcontinent. Lesson 2 and 3, Geographical Location Area, Physiography and Climate of Asia. Geographical location and area of Asia. Asia occupies one third of the landmass of the globe. The area of Asia, the largest continent of the world, is 4 crore 46 lakh 14,000 square kilometers. If the area of Europe and Africa is added, or if North and South America are united, they will not be equal to the area of Asia. 442 crore for 17 lakh people live in this continent. Asia is not only large uh, uh, in area and population. Most of the ancient civilization developed here long ago. Chinese, Mesopotamian, Persian, Hebrew, and Indo civilization thrived here. When the light of civilization did not reach Europe and America, this civilization developed in Asia. Two remarkable monuments of civilization, Great Wall of China and Hanging Garden of Babylon, and situated in this continent. Physiography and climate. Physiography of Asia is full of variety. Nearly one third of people of area of this continent is plain land. To the north, there is an ice covered area. Siberia and hot desert are to the west of it. There is lower riparian plain land to the south and southeast direction. Besides, among the physical features, uh, and island, uh, To the east is the remarkable, the biggest lagoon of the world. Caspian Sea is also situated in this continent. Seven of the big rivers of the world flow through this continent. Again, it was the world highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, which is 8,850 meter high. The peak is named Everest after the name of Sir George Everest, who was the chief of British India Survey Department. But it is um, height was measured by one Bengali and Radhanath Shikdar. These mountains and the nearby mountains remain covered with snow all the year round. Tenzing Sherpa of Nepal and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand first ascended the peak of Mount Everest in 1953. Musa Ibrahim, M.A. Mohit, Nishat Mujumdar, Wasfia Nazreen of Bangladesh also ascended the peak of Mount Everest. The climate of Asia is also full of variety. Tropical climate prevails on the longitudinal line within 10 degrees north and south of the equator. Excess heat and rainfall throughout the year are features of the climate. Rain abundant abundant summer and rainless winter in the main feature of the monsoon climate. What is the main feature of the monsoon climate? South and Southeast Asian, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Philippines, southern parts of China and Japan are included in monsoon climate. Drought and difference of temperature have created desert area in the middle Asia. So, student, you already known the um, ocean name, uh, vast expanses of deep water is called an ocean. We know what is ocean, how many ocean in the world. There are five ocean in the world. How many continents are in the world? Already we know seven. What percentage of the total area of the world is water? Mass 71%. Who was the chief of survey department of British India? Sir George Everett. Which is the only coral island of Bangladesh? Saint Martin. Which ocean ranks second in depth? The Indian Ocean. The high literacy rate in the result of low birth rate. Social mobility means change of social status. How many people live per square kilometers area in Bangladesh? 1015. Which of the countries has the lowest birth rate? USA. Edmund Hillary was an inhabitant of New Zealand. Which country is the largest producer of jute? Bangladesh. The continent of Asia is situated in the hemisphere east. How many species of serums are found in the Bay of Bengal? 10. Demos means people. Uh, what has the soil been formed with? Silt. What is the area of the continent of Asia? 4,46,000 14 4 crore 46 lakh and 14,000 square kilometer. Uh, what is the amount population of Asia? More than 400 crore. Siberia is situated in Asia. Where was Buddhism initiated in Asia? Which country is called the country of rising sun? Japan. What is the Tigris, a river? Yangtze. How long is the Yangtze? 6,300 kilometer. What is the height of world highest mountain peak? 8,850 meters. Who was the George Everest, the chief of the survey department of British India, who first measured the height of Mount Everest? Radhanath Shikdar. Who is the first Bangladeshi to ascend the peak of Mount Everest? What is the total world population? Uh, 689 crore and 20 lakh. What percent of world population lives in Asia? More than 60%. How many people of the world live in Asia? 442 crore and 70 lakh. Mm, what percentage of people of countries of Indian subcontinent live in village? 70%. Where are Goa and Kushi situated in India? So, student, you already known everything. Lesson 1 to 3. So, thank you very much.